Hello viewers, hope you all are fine. In this video tutorial, I will discuss with you about Piaget cognitive development theory. Here I will discuss four important points which are important to know before cognitive development stages. These are schemas, assimilation, accommodation and equilibration. Let us discuss one by one. Number one, schemas. Now schemas are the unit of cognitive structure. It is about how our intellectual thinking interpret things in our surrounding. It is built upon existing knowledge of something. Next is assimilation. Our responses on the basis of past experience is known as assimilation. Next is about accommodation. Accommodation is modification. So let's try to understand these three things with the help of example. Now, suppose a boy knows about boat that is useful mode of water transportation. So this is basically a schema. Now, if a boy saw a ship or a cruise that is floating on water, he will call it a boat. That is, his response is on the basis of his past experience. Now, here we will see that how accommodation is helping. Now, if his parents or a teacher tells him that it is a shape which is different in all aspects from boat, so this is modification. So, how equilibration is working here? So, basically, it is making a balance of assimilation and accommodation that help in organized adaptation for proper mental development. So, this is about Piaget cognitive development theory. Four important points I have discussed over here. In the coming video, I will discuss about four stages of cognitive development. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.